Today Zach is using a white spinnerbait. Fish on, fish on. Perfect timing, perfect timing, perfect timing. As you can see, he is excited. Zach, tell the folks here what you're using exactly.
We got a piece of shit white spinner with a nice bass we got going here. Get the net, get the net.
Where is the net?
The key to making your fish look big is by setting your drag ultra low.
I can't see.
Dude, this fucker's nice.
Holy fuck, I might set the camera down for this, folks.
Oh,
Camera's still rolling. Let's see what we got here, folks. Watch out for your finger. He caught that yesterday. That is a beautiful smallmouth. What a beaut.
pretty neat, huh?
That's pretty neat. He hammered it. Oh man, show the folks at home what you just caught. Okay.
Very nice, very nice.